better when you're fishing underneath cliffs as opposed to beach. Oh, hello, Liz. It's a little baby salmon. Oh, I got the little baby silver. Won't fill me up, but he'll taste just fine. We'll keep him. Oh, look at this, kelp greenling. Nice little kelp greenling. Oh, there we go. Oh, little baby kelp greenling. Oh, another kelp greenling. Kelp greenling aren't horrible, but I like other fish better, and I think I'm going to catch something. Oh, got something. Oh, yeah. That is what we want. There we go. Look at that black bass. Well, where there's one